John Cena is always working on something new. Prior to the pandemic, he was in a little project called Suicide Squad 2. Now fans have a full cast list and this is going to be a very big movie. During the DC Fandom, the DC Cinematic Universe revealed the Suicide Squad 2 cast and their designs. There's a loaded cast of characters and John Cena is included. Cena tweeted out a video showing the Suicide Squad 2 cast along with very simple caption, "The Peacemaker." That's all he had to say because the trailer told the rest of the story. Karrion Kross won the NXT title at NXT TakeOver 30. This was a big match, but he also suffered a damage during that huge contest. WWE has now confirmed Kross' injury. He will have an MRI on Monday to determine how bad the damage is, but he has a separated shoulder. Hopefully Kross' injury isn't that serious. This is a terrible time to be injured. While the IC Championship may have changed hands on SmackDown, one man still believes that he is the rightful holder of the title. That man is Sami Zayn, who was forced to relinquish the IC belt after it was revealed that he would not be attending WWE shows in the midst of the current pandemic. After Jeff Hardy became the new champion, Zayn chose to make his feelings on the win very clear. Nobody really knows when Zayn is going to return to WWE programming, but when he does, he will already have a couple of great feuds lined up. WWE is a large operation and there are plenty of documents floating around backstage. Not everything that happened in the company is written on piece of paper. Some things happen that only Vince McMahon knows about beforehand. One rumor is that Roman Reigns or Brock Lesnar could be returning. It only makes sense as WWE wants to pull in more viewers. Ringside News has reported that Brock Lesnar and Roman Reigns are not on any internal roster list or scheduled for a return in September. Lesnar and Reigns' names have not been brought up at all. We were told on our official Facebook page that Roman Reigns and Vince McMahon are still talking. That being said, if a return happens, nobody knows about it.